This is the double crochet stitch. In this tutorial, you'll learn not just the stitch, but also the secret to maintaining straight edges and turning chains. Let's start right away. Grab your 5.5mm hook and worsted weight yarn. Go ahead and make a slip knot using the method that is easiest for you, and then proceed to make a foundation chain. For this tutorial, I chained 13 stitches. To make a double crochet stitch, you start from the 4th chain from the hook. I'll go ahead and mark it with a stitch marker. Next, you yarn over, insert hook through the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, you repeat with 2 loops on your hook, then yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. That is our first double crochet stitch. I'll work 2 more stitches with you, then I'll meet you at the end of the row to start row 2. Talk about turning chains, and I'll also give you some tips on how to maintain straight edges. We will work the next 2 stitches quietly. We have worked 10 double crochet stitches, but we'll add the chain 3 from the start to make it 11 double crochets. So in summary, we shall consider the chain 3 as a stitch. However, when you are following a pattern, read carefully to see if the chain 3 counts or does not count as a stitch. Let's move on to our second row. Chain 3 and turn your work. Because chain 3 counts as a stitch, we shall skip the first space and work in the second space from the chain. When you get to the end of this row, I'll show you how to maintain straight edges. Remember, chain 3 counts as a stitch, so our last double crochet on this row will be worked on top of the chain. To be specific, on the 3rd chain. As you can see, it is very easy to forget the last stitch, and then your edges will be uneven. I highly recommend that you put a stitch marker on top of the 3rd chain so that when you come back at the end of the row, you can be able to work your last stitch. And eventually, this will help you maintain straight edges. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and leave a comment. Please look out for my next video on how to make a slip stitch and how best you can use it to make your different projects. Thank you for watching.